Hello friends, welcome back to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to write 10-line essay on the very important topic pollution. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, pollution is the presence of harmful pollutants in the environment. Second line is, it is of different types including air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution and noise pollution. Third line is, reckless human activities contribute to pollution. Fourth line is, it harms the humans, animals and plants. Next line is, it can cause serious respiratory problems and other illnesses. Sixth line is, it also affects the quality and availability of natural resources. Seventh line is, reducing pollution is important for protecting the environment and health. Eighth line is, strategies to reduce pollution include conservation, recycling, and using renewable energy sources. Next line is environmental regulations and policies can help to reduce pollution. Last line is everyone can do their part to reduce pollution by making small changes in their daily lives.